Thank you. I just don't want to share.
No, I'll pass it too. I'm not, no, I don't.
If you ever want to, I mean, I'm willing to pass. Circus show starting in just 9 minutes.
You don't work for free, otherwise I get in trouble with parents. Oh yeah.
Which is being you for sure.
Exactly.
Hey, Joey. Can you wave and say hello? Nothing around me.
Where? Line down, line. We were busy yesterday too. I'll come out tomorrow. I just seen that. You're from the pirate.
We got messages the next day saying, why were you focused? Where were you? They didn't even know that there was stuff in the parking lot. We weren't on a map or anything.
I mean,
Yeah. Okay. It's the same stuff we have.
Right. Okay, we're not going to talk about it yet. All right? Yes. What do we got to do, man? We got to put out the forbidden information. The one that's been lost for decades and decades that we're about to try to remember. Okay, well, I know it goes like this.
here.
Right? What's it like an activity? What's like an activity you like to do?
My turn? Okay.
Well,
in the middle.
fighting is good. How about sword fighting? Sword fighting.
Oh no!
Werewolf. You got a werewolf. All right.
We'll sign a waiver.
Well, we'll definitely have you take a look.
The shields are for
You
sale.
tried throwing all three at one time?
I have.
The handful of stones there?
Come on, one more, then kill the king.
Do you want me to carry it up?
Oh my God.
We need all of them.
Yo-ho, listen, here's a story about a little man who lives in a blue world all day and all night. Everything about him is just blue, like him inside and outside.
His house with the blue window and a blue ship, and everything is blue for him. Keep safe and everyone around. He ain't got no one to live.
Everybody, I'm blue, da-ba-dee, 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 da-ba-dee. Once more, I'm blue, da-ba-dee, 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 da-ba-dee. Oh, well done, matey. Well done. I feel great, yes, I think great. And I guess that's that.
I think that's it.
Call it there.
Absolutely.
Pretty simple. The new captain of the Drunken Blossom is me. Wait, what? Why do you
I definitely won that challenge. I sang the loudest.
sang the loudest? What does that matter for? I sang the prettiest. And that's how you become a crew to action.
No one's gonna listen to pretty singing when they're in battle.
Just as well if your singing voice was a fish.
How is that? If your singing voice was a fish, I'd...
Yes? What will you make of it?
Do that. Makes a cracking sound.
I don't think anyone likes you. I like you.
I don't think anyone.
No one else. I was, and then you said they were back here.
You always say it's very So right now, our ship is called E3. So what we're doing right now is we're cleaning off the hull of the ship. What pirates would do, seamen would do when they were doing that, is they would take parts off the ship to use for shelter, like a sail, the spars, even some of the oars to give you that shelter. So we have parts of the ship here. And while we're here, we're practicing how to fight with swords. And we thought that we'd actually help out and teach you guys how to do it too. You didn't think I had an answer to that question, did you? Actually, we can. Yeah, we can.
Talk at the same time.
Because this is magic, right?
Talk over each other and no one knows what the other one's saying, like,
Because that's what we do all the time.
because
We're married. Not all the jokes are for the children. Up on mine too, you know. Pirates.
All right. How close is it? 12:30. I feel
Okay, 3 minutes. I'm gonna grab a little something quick.
Me too.
Wet the whistle before we start. I should have put something in it. Don't worry, it's not wrong. That is for the end of the show because we have pointing objects.
2024. We are the Pirates McKenna, and we are standing on the Thirsty Pirate stage. How are you feeling this fine early afternoon? Hey, good. Lots of thumbs and fist pumps are pushing the Oh, they like it. Oh, they like it. So, I'm going to say
We'll mark it up when we try to think.
Excellent. Because I have to be here all day and there's always so many things. And sometimes when you're talking to me and I'm like, I'm sorry. I couldn't hear you. It's like there are so many things.
We're doing pretty good. He's got like
That's a dad right there. That's a dad. As soon as she left the car, stab. All right, shall we sing that? Shall we sing that refrain one more time? Sure, Ryan. What the heck? You know, that's exactly my motto. If you're a pirate, come into the bar. There's a welcome here for you. If your name is Timothy or Pat, so long as you're a pirate, then the welcome on the mast. If you come the mountains of sing a song and have us. You're a pirate. This is the place for you. You're a pirate. This is the place for you.
All right, so the interesting thing about the motherland is I can't really.
Here's option one.
Number 3, we say sociable, and then we take a drink. If you'd like to join in, then I think you're if not, we'll 1, 2, 3, social! That's the spirit. Where to go, sport? So the key sounds like in the league from uptown, they call up
I can fit a deep fryer.
I know, it's comfortable hitting a little age.
And I was watching them, and then finally you went over and grabbed them. I'm like,
That's why you left it.
There's logistics there, but I still have the small tent.
Okay, so Pirate's favorite sword is Excalibur. Yeah, I got yeah. So this would be like, you know, like around here.
Got another bag here. And I'm gonna need your help. So, for you. Objects for you. Objects for you. And an object for you. So, for the next part of the show, I'm going to need some audience members to volunteer 4 random objects. And it could be anyone, but you know, oh, you guys have some really random objects right there. I guess I'll use yours. So whoever wants to throw me one first. Your phone. Do you have insurance on that thing? Can I take the duct tape? Oh, so close. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Really making me work for this first job. Just carry duct tape around all the time at every festival. I mean, that's smart. Might need it. All right. Could I have the fan, please? You want to talk? Okay. Yeah, that was a good throw. Do you play baseball? Softball? No? You're just good at things? No. All right, the next up. So yeah, we have a fan. This is my favorite object because, you know, it's really we have a tomato. A happy tomato. I got this one in here.
Well, that's
No, but yours is much messy and much more quiet than mine. Yeah.
Motherland. That makes way more sense.
So for this next part of the show, I'm going to be balancing on my identity try to hand together. And here's your try.